Hey guys, welcome to WILDsides. Today I'll be showing you how to use Mullein 5 different ways. Let's get right to it. So the first way you can use Mullein is, say you're on a camp out and someone just happens to have an asthma attack. What do? What you can do is you can go pick one of the green leaves and you can smoke it. Believe it or not, you can actually smoke it to prevent an asthma attack or to stop it. So this right here is Mullein. It is in its second year because it has a very big, tall stalk, as you can see, probably about 3 feet. Yeah, it's very tall. Also, this right here is the green fuzzy leaves. In a very vast area like we have here, Mullein stands out pretty easily. And it's like there's a stalk there, there. Everywhere around us, you can see big, tall stalks of Mullein, like this one. So, I obviously don't have asthma, so that's why I haven't lit it. But if I did, and I was having an asthma attack, I would definitely light this and smoke it so I wouldn't have an asthma attack. Unless you have an inhaler. The second way you can use Mullein is, say you get a cut and you ran out of bandages. What do? You grab a green piece of the leaf and you can use it as a bandage. What it does is it pretty much stops the cut from getting any infections. For this one, we will need a longer one. This should work. I don't have pockets. Abraham Lincoln style. So the first step is you take the Mullein that is always in your hat, because everyone has Mullein in their hat. And then what you're going to do is you are going to wrap it around the cut. There's my cut. I'm going to wrap it around like this. And yeah, there's my bandage. So no infections will be getting in that cut right there. So the third way you can do is by just a natural feet warmer. So it is 101 degrees. 101 degrees with 104% humidity. So why don't we go find someone to, warm the old tootsies up. So if you have big feet, you obviously want the big ones, but I don't have that big of a feet. So let's go over here and take these little medium-sized ones, like this. That should be enough. So my feet are kind of chilly in this 120 degree with 160% humidity, so I'm going to warm my tootsies up with some Mullein. What we're going to do is we're going to take our shoe off. Going to take the Mullein, place it inside. Take one on the bottom. Yeah. Get the bottom of our feet warm. And take one on the sides, maybe. This obviously isn't a summertime use for Mullein, but to demonstrate, I'm demonstrating. Oh, there's a little tick in here. Oh yes, nice and warm and toasty. Can already feel my feet sweating. The number 4th one is you can take the green ones, the fuzzy green ones, and in a very dangerous scenario, when you have to take a poo-poo in the middle of the woods, you can use it as toilet paper. I know, it's pretty nice. I've done it before. I get the clean ones, but you guys can get the dirty ones. I don't know. Clean ones are better. Just in case you may want a lot. That one's dirty. Has a hole in it. You do not want to get the ones with holes in it. Does anyone have a newspaper? Or like a magazine of some sort? Ants. The number 5th way is, say you're really hungry and this is only used in a survival situation. You take the seeds from the Mullein stalk and you mash them up. Then what you do is you throw it in the water, like we have over here, and it pretty much paralyzes and kills the fish and they float to the surface and you have a yummy fish sushi dinner. Sushi, yes. You can take the seeds off, which are right here, which usually grow at the top. Usually, they always grow at the top, right up here. And you can pretty much strip them. Poop. Like this. And then what you do is you mash them up, and then you just throw them in the water, and then these fishies will come floating up. You obviously want a little more than this, but for demonstration purposes, this is all we'll be doing. What you're going to do is you're going to take them and throw them in the water. And now you will wait for the fishies to come. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed learning 5 different uses of Mullein. My name's Jack. Be nimble, be quick, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, like this one and that one, and there's one over there, and there's one over there. There's one right here. Oh yes, you need to like implant that sound one.